Hello friends, this is Sabri here and welcome to the channel Med Through Story. Today, let's learn the abdominal aorta branches using a story. Keep watching this video till the end to learn some high-yield facts very important for the exams. Subscribe to our channel to learn tricks to make medical subjects easy and super fun. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our future video uploads. Let's begin. The story is titled Nadal in Depression. During the recession, Nadal was sacked from his media job. His girlfriend Rina ditched him in the middle of this chaos and married a super rich guy. Depressed Nadal became an alcoholic and started to drink daily in the plum bar. He started feeling inferior and became a schizophrenic. Nadal decided to end his life. He stepped on the trunk and was about to hang from the seat's room. Luckily, I sent Eric super quick at the right time to pull him down. Depression leading to suicides have become a very common illness these days. This made me start a helpline for suicide prevention. Now, let's connect the story to the branches of the abdominal aorta. Nadal that we use in the story help us remember the gonadal artery. Media and sac becomes the clue for the next artery, which is the median sacral artery. Rena for the renal artery. Middle and super used in the story help us remember middle suprarenal artery. Plumbar for the lumbar artery. Inferior and schizophrenic for the next artery, which is called as the inferior phrenic artery. Ceiling and trunk for celiac trunk artery. I sent Eric and super helps us remember the superior mesenteric artery. Term down used in the story can be linked to inferior. So along with the superior mesenteric artery, we have the inferior mesenteric artery. Lastly, common illness in the story helps us remember the common iliac artery. Friends, we are through with all the 10 arteries of the abdominal aorta. Arteries of the abdominal aorta can be grouped into ventral, lateral, dorsal and the terminal branches. This can be easily remembered using the mnemonic driver's license DL checked at the VT station. D for dorsal, L for lateral, V for ventral and T for terminal. The trick to remember the sequence of arteries in each of these 4 branches is here. First, let's write all the 10 arteries in sequence as per the story. Arteries numbered from 1 to 6 include the dorsal and lateral branches. Arteries numbered 2 and 5 are the dorsal branches. Clue is Christmas date. The remaining arteries after the dorsal branches are the lateral ones. The sequence of arteries in both dorsal and lateral branches is from bottom to the top as indicated by the red and blue colored arrows. The sequence is lumbar followed by the median sacral artery for the dorsal branch. Similarly, the sequence is inferior phrenic, middle suprarenal, renal and the gonadal arteries for the lateral branch. Arteries numbered from 7 to 9 are the ventral branches and the sequence is from top to bottom as indicated by the green arrow. Artery number 10 is the last branch, which is the terminal branch. Next, let's have the story recap. Friends, now let's cover some high-yield facts now. Abdominal aorta is the continuation of the descending thoracic aorta opposite to T12 vertebra. It divides into the right and the left common iliac arteries opposite to the L4 vertebra. Celiac trunk originates opposite to T12 vertebra and supplies to structures derived from the foregut. Superior mesenteric artery originates at lower border of L1 vertebra and supplies to structures derived from the midgut. Inferior mesenteric artery originates opposite to L3 vertebra and supplies to structures derived from the hindgut. Except for the median sacral artery of the dorsal branch and the arteries of the ventral branch, all the other arteries of the abdominal aorta are paired. Appendicular artery, which is a branch of the superior mesenteric artery, is an end artery. Hence, inflammation of appendix produces vascular thrombosis, giving rise to gangrene in the tip. Aortic aneurysm is because of weakness of the wall of aorta. It is commonly located in the abdominal aorta, which can give rise to rupture. Share this video among friends and medical groups. Provide your valuable feedback in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching this video.